How to remove red notification dot on iPhone phone app. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the phone settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, go to the Allow Phone to Access section at the top and tap on Notifications. You can manage the notification settings such as alerts and lock screen appearance from here. Go to the Alert section and turn off the badges switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily remove red notification dot on iPhone phone app. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.